TSCM and Private Security Solutions introduces the ORION 2.4 Nonlinear Junction Detector. The ORION Nonlinear Junction Detector is designed to detect electronic components in various areas such as walls, floors, ceilings, fixtures, furniture, and containers, just to name a few places. It is a powerful tool used to detect and locate hidden cameras, microphones, and other electronic devices. What makes the ORION Nonlinear Junction Detector stand out is its impressive capability to detect devices even when they have no power supply or are not emitting any RF signals. This makes it an invaluable tool for detecting covert surveillance equipment that may be concealed without emitting any signals. Whether you are concerned about privacy in your home or office or need to ensure security in sensitive areas such as boardrooms or hotel rooms, the ORION Nonlinear Junction Detector provides the agent with the capability to sweep for hidden electronics effectively. Its nonlinear junction detection technology allows it to identify semiconductors present within electronic devices by emitting signals that interact with them. By analyzing these interactions and using sophisticated algorithms, the ORION Nonlinear Junction Detector can accurately pinpoint the location of hidden electronics. With its high detection accuracy, this device offers peace of mind by enabling you to protect your safety, privacy, and security effectively. If you have any questions, give us a call at 678-865-9838 or visit our website, tscmpss.com.